What's up guys, so the new Vivo X23 is here, packing with an in-display fingerprint sensor, along with a premium looking design. The packaging of the phone is quite simple and classic. And as you can see, the packaging also shows the front design of the phone, as well as an X23 branding. The packaging also indicates to a circular notch at the top of the display, along with an under-display fingerprint sensor. At the back, some details are presented. So this variant of the phone has an 8GB of RAM, along with 128GB of internal storage. Other than that, there are some manufacturing details present at the back. Okay, let's unbox this phone, and have a first look on the new Vivo X23. At first, the packaging contains the phone itself, the Vivo X23. Let's take this out and put this at the side. So here are the main accessories. Here is a soft case, looking rubbery and soft, good for preventing scratches and scuffs from glass back of the device. Here is a SIM ejector tool, which comes alongside with some documentation, quick start guide, warranty, everything is present over here. So here is a USB Type-C cable, packaged very well. Let's remove this out. Wait a second, this is a micro USB cable, disappointing. I don't know why the company have removed the USB Type-C cable from Vivo X23, despite the fact that USB Type-C cable was used on its predecessor. Anyways, here are the pair of headphones that comes packed with every Vivo smartphone. The ear tips are looking standard and classic, with a premium finish. So at last, here is a power adapter, which does support fast charging. And it can provide a power up to 22.5 watts. Okay, so this is all about a quick unboxing. Let's have a closer look on the device itself. As for the first impression, this smartphone is extremely similar to Oppo R17, and it also features a circular notch at the top of the display, giving it a screen-to-body ratio of more than 90%. The phone comes with a reduced notch, and it offers an aspect ratio of 19:5:9. This is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, with slim bezels and slightly curved edges. In addition, the display is quite vibrant, that produces punchier colors. The phone has a layer of 3D glass at the back, which is constructed by engraving process. The back of the phone has been polished very well, making it shiny and gorgeous. The phone has a metallic frame, which has been reduced by 2.6 mm from 3.2 mm, when compared to its predecessor. In addition, the phone is available in multiple color options, like purple, red, and this magic night black. At the bottom, it has micro USB port, speaker grills, and a SIM slot. Apart from that, the phone has a vertically aligned dual rear cameras, like we have seen on Vivo X and X21, so the overall design of the phone is familiar from the back. As you can see, the phone is capable of showing different variations, depending on how you hold it. What are your opinions? Do you like its design? Let us know in comments section. With my opinion, the Vivo X23 doesn't have an impressive premium feel, and it really feels a bit cheaper and more like plastic. The back of the phone is very clean, as there's no fingerprint sensor here. The phone is overall compact, which make it very comfortable to hold. Furthermore, the phone looks much beautiful in outdoors, when sunlight hits the back. For security options, the phone does support some basic security stuffs, along with fingerprint and facial recognition. The phone is equipped by 4th generation in-display fingerprint sensor, which is capable of unlocking the device in just 0.35 seconds. The phone's in-display fingerprint sensor works great most of the time. With a single touch, the phone unlocks itself in a split second. The speed has been improved, as compared to the scanner used in its predecessor. Just touch, and it unlocks. The fingerprint sensor does sometimes struggle to unlock the phone, but most of the time, it works. The phone is also equipped by Face Plus fingerprint recognition combination. It means your face and fingerprint should be at the same time for unlocking the phone. This is one of the most unique feature currently, and it should be used by other companies in future. This feature seems to be more secured. Good job by the company. The lock screen also shows some blinking effect on top and bottom of the screen. Sometimes, the phone unlocks super fast. Other times you need to press and hold for more than a second. The fingerprint icon beneath the screen looks beautiful, with an impressive animation. This is the one and only indicator of fingerprint sensor location. Apart from that, the phone has a dedicated assistant button, which Vivo calls Jovi. Jovi is an AI assistant, similar to Bixby. The phone is powered by new Snapdragon 670 chipset, which is an efficient processor. Apart from that, it has Fun Touch OS 4.1 skin, based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The dedicated button for Jovi Assistant is much useful for day-to-day tasks. The assistant also comes packed with image recognition function, capable of recognizing what's on your screen or make a search about it. You can also use it in order to copy words more quickly and conveniently. As you can see, you can also search for things related to your open screen. The phone is also supported by a feature known as System Turbo, useful for improving the performance of the apps. There's also a Game Turbo for improving game efficiency of the device. Other than that, the phone is fueled by a 3400 mAh battery with support for fast charging. We will try to further discuss about its battery, gaming and software in a depth review of this phone. The phone has a dual camera setup that includes a 12-megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor with f/1.8 aperture. The secondary sensor has a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens with f/2.4 aperture. As you can see, the secondary is capable of providing shots with 125 degrees field of view. Apart from that, the phone comes with mode like AI Beauty, AI Scene Detection, AR stickers, and so on. As you can see, the beauty mode is included with some other customization. Currently, there's no face here to apply beauty. Anyways, that's all guys. But wait, let me remind you its hardware specifications again. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 670 chipset, along with 3400 mAh battery. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, supported by Fun Touch OS. Apart from that, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. That's all guys. Subscribe our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.